In this video, we are going to see the science behind this Jenga trick. I am Rahul Khanna and let us get into the video.
If we see it clearly, the weight on both sides are equal. There are 4 Jengas on the both sides from the center. The part of the triangles are equal, so the structure is balanced. Now both the sides have 4 Jengas plus a triangle. So 4 Jengas plus a triangle is equal to 4 Jengas plus a triangle. Now let's build and test this trick. My shorts channel link is in the description. Watch those videos and comment the video to learn the science behind it. Thanks for watching.